Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Swannview error 90. So let's get started. So here I can see the Swannview app. So if it shows the error 90, you have to follow this instruction. First of all, you have to press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info of the app. Okay. So then here you have to scroll down at the last and then you have to click on the storage. Just click on the clear data, just delete it. Open the app again from here. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So checking for an update is easy. You can directly go to the Google search bar and you can directly search for the Swannview app. Okay. So from here you can just download and install the latest version of the app and it will be fixed. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.